In Gurgaon, Sector 29, there is a growing demand for geotechnical services due to the rapid development of infrastructure projects in the area. These services help engineers and architects make informed decisions about foundation design, site selection, and slope stability, among other things. One prominent provider of geotechnical services in Gurgaon, Sector 29, is SCON Design. With their team of experienced geotechnical engineers and state-of-the-art equipment, they offer comprehensive solutions to meet the unique challenges of each project. Their expertise includes soil testing, rock testing, groundwater exploration, and geophysical surveys. By conducting thorough investigations, SCON Design helps clients understand the soil conditions and geological characteristics of their sites. In Gurgaon, Sector 29, where urbanization is rapidly transforming the landscape, geotechnical services are essential for ensuring safe and stable structures. SCON Design's geotechnical engineers assess the soil's bearing capacity and provide recommendations for foundation design. They also evaluate the potential for slope instability and offer mitigation measures to prevent landslides. Through their expertise in geotechnical engineering, SCON Design helps clients minimize risks associated with soil-related issues. For developers and contractors in Gurgaon, Sector 29, partnering with a reputable geotechnical services provider like SCON Design is essential. Their comprehensive range of services ensures that all aspects of a project's geotechnical requirements are met. From initial site investigations to ongoing monitoring during construction, SCON Design offers a holistic approach to geotechnical engineering. Moreover, SCON Design's commitment to quality and professionalism sets them apart from other geotechnical service providers in Gurgaon, Sector 29. They adhere to international standards and best practices in their testing procedures and reporting. Geotechnical services are in increasing demand in Gurgaon, Sector 29, as a result of the area's quick expansion of infrastructure developments. With the aid of these services, engineers and architects can make well-informed choices regarding, for example, slope stability, site selection, and foundation design. SCON Design is a well-known provider of geotechnical services in Sector 29 of Gurgaon. They provide complete solutions to deal with the particular issues of each project, thanks to their staff of knowledgeable geotechnical engineers and cutting-edge machinery. They are experts in geophysical surveys, groundwater exploration, rock and soil testing, and testing. SCON Design assists clients in comprehending the geological features and soil conditions of their locations by performing detailed research. Geotechnical services are necessary in Gurgaon Sector 29 since urbanization there is fast changing the environment. Geotechnical experts at SCON Design evaluate the soil's ability to support weight and make design suggestions for foundations. The possibility for slope